In this demo, we're going to show how Cognite Data Fusion can process and extract relevant information from point cloud data. For example, in power and utilities, this is useful for identifying, classifying, and filtering out the terrain, poles, power lines, trees, etc. for vegetation encroachment analysis. This can help operators analyze vegetation-induced outage risk across their network and dispatch crews with important information about the landscape. In Cognite Data Fusion, we can pull up the raw 3D model which has been created from the original point cloud data and does not yet have any classifications. As you can see, there is not much information that is readily available from this data, and it would be difficult to use for decision making without additional analysis. In parallel, we've run this point cloud file through a classifier algorithm available in CDF, which has performed classification on this original model. First, we can see that the algorithm has classified the ground. Then, we'll layer on various categories of vegetation based on height and density. Next, we'll layer in power lines, buildings, and poles. Where things get interesting is that we can then use distance-based rules to detect areas where vegetation poses a risk to the power lines. Here you can see that the tree is within bounds of the safety rule. When operationalized, this could trigger an alert for this transmission area to be reviewed, and then automatically initiate a work order so that maintenance crews can be dispatched. Given the tens of thousands of miles of transmission line, data-driven building blocks such as this classification of point cloud data can be used to augment human inspection and enable more reliability and less risk in transmission and distribution networks.